Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're out down St John's, heading over to Ledger Lakes, and as you can see the ground is reasonably dry. So despite all the wet weather that we've been having, it's finally relented a little bit and we've got some dry mud underfoot, which should be nice. So that means we won't have to bath the girls today. No, you're not getting a bath, Tilly. She can hear me. Which is nice. Hello, Tilly. Oh, they're loving it. Look at that tail wagging like mad. Constantly wagging. And there's Poppy. She's suffering a little bit with her ears again, bless her. I think it's all the chicken that she's been eating, because apparently cockapoos are a little bit allergic to chicken. We didn't think it was, but it looks like it is. So despite elimination diets to cut the gluten out, so we've stopped giving her wheat, it looks like it might be chicken. So we're going to stop feeding the chicken for the next few weeks and see if she improves with her ears. I've been putting some Clear It. It's like antibacterial powder that we put in her ears, and it helps keep the bacteria down. So yeah, just get it on Amazon. It's about £6 and it lasts for a few months because you only have to drop it in. So hopefully that's going to do the trick. So yeah, I'm rattling on. So thanks for tuning in again, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and speak to you on the next one. See you for now. What have you found? What's in there? I don't think there's anything in there, Till. Which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go that way? Go on then. So the ground looks actually quite dry this way, so I've actually changed my mind. We're going to head out to what is, Bluebell Woods. So we're going to go there. Lingardell Woods, that's its name. We're going to head towards Lingardell Woods, which I know as Bluebell Woods, but I'm sure it's not. So yeah, that's where we're going. We'll go over the fields. I'll keep you in touch with which way we're going. So I can see a lot of birds over the horizon. I think they're seagulls. So yeah, we're going this way now. So speak to you in a bit. So after the fires in 2022, I think it was, in the summer, all this was burnt to the ground. And obviously it destroyed the hedges, as you can see. They've replanted them. So they go on and on and on. Up they go. Spent a lot of money on replacing all the hedges, which obviously it's going to be a natural windbreak too. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Obviously these were taken down. So they were taken down when they had to create a natural break for the fire to stop it crossing from one field into the other, break the fuel for the fire, and thereby ending the spread of it. So yeah, so they've replanted, which is good to see. So that's the wood where we're heading today. Oh, it's a beautiful day. You enjoying it, Tilly? Hey? What's the matter, Tilly? So in the background you can hear woodpeckers. You hear that? As it goes. And there another. It's almost like they're communicating. So I'm just in the place where I think I heard the woodpecker, and I've noticed up there in the side of the tree that hole. So I'm guessing that's where it's come from. So I've just seen a sparrowhawk. Somewhere up there.